a 1989 Wilderness 26.5N trailer. The AC wasn't working. It was only used 3 times. So check out the interior of this, right? I mean, it is straight up new. I'll show you, there's 3 components on the top that are electrical, and there's 2 down here. One is the thermostat, which goes right here, and the other is the on-off switch. Okay, the thermostat. So they wanted like $1,500 bucks. They wouldn't even work on the air. It was working when we parked it, right? You open this up, they're really simple. Compressor, fan, and 3 items. Okay, capacitor. So in this case, the compressor wasn't running. Okay, there's only 3 wires. With it on, there's no voltage between the red or white, or the I think that's supposed to be blue. Yeah, blue and white, or blue and red. Henceforth, we trace it down to the thermostat, which I'll show you in a second. This part runs about 40 bucks. Okay, they would have charged me about $1,400 to replace this AC, and there's only 4 or 5 electrical components. They're very simple. This part lives up in there. That was a thermostat. Let this crank down. Getting cold.
I see.
Oh yeah. It's 80 plus 5, 88 today. It's already nice and cold.
Feel the drumbeat in my heart. Please, please, don't go.